Hey, Tony from T-Perfume is here, and if you are a fan of do-it-yourself, the best, all-natural night cream, what is absolutely moisturizing and at the same time nourishing, in this case, this video is for you. Stay tuned. But before we continue, if it's the first time that you have been to my channel, I wanna encourage you to make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because I wanna make sure that you will get every single video I put out regarding natural perfumes and cosmetic tips from T-Perfume. Let's do it yourself, the best all-natural night cream, and I'm promising you it will be gently and perfectly moisturized and nourishing at the same time your beautiful face skin. So at the first, here are our ingredients what we need for this wonderful moisturizing night cream. It's shea butter, cocoa butter, fractionated coconut oil and extra virgin organic olive oil. Shea butter, it's full of natural vitamin like A and E. It's working very well against wrinkles. It provides immediate softness and smoothness and also boosts collagen production. Here are our cocoa butter, what is fighting against signs of aging. It's rich with polyphenol and flavonoid antioxidants, and it's very good for sensitive skin and having absolutely an amazing hydrating effect. Here are our fractionated coconut oil. Generally, any kind of extra virgin organic coconut oil is good, but for face skin I prefer use it fractionated coconut oil because it provides fraction of the whole oil. And what I like that the lauric acid and 12-carbon chain fatty acid is oftenly removed. It's having naturally, it's absolutely naturally antibacterial, antifungal and very good moisturizing effect. Here are our extra virgin organic olive oil, and olive oil is a very good antioxidant protection, doesn't clog pores, and generally it's very good beauty booster. If you have very sensitive face skin, you can change the olive oil for arganian oil or jojoba oil. So we will add here our shea butter. All this, here it's 30 gram shea butter, and we will add here our cacao butter, and we will melt them all together. Melt it here all together. It's taking just 3-5 minutes and it's already done. Now it's well melted down. Yes, and it's approximately 37 or maximum 38 degrees Celsius. And we will add here now our fractionated coconut oil and also our extra virgin organic olive oil. Now we will mix them very well. And we will add them here. We'll change the container now, and we will add this for 30 minutes to refrigerator to get a little bit cool down. Okay. So the 30 minutes already left. We take out from the refrigerator our cream. It starts to be a little bit more creamy, and now we will just mix them with mixer a little bit to get more like cream. We mix that with mixer, and now we will just add this our cream to container. And here so I get two beautiful containers, and we will add this cream once again for 1 hour to the refrigerator, and it's ready for use. Our do-it-yourself, the best all-natural night cream is ready. It's easy to use it on the evening time after you cleansed your face skin. You can add this wonderful cream, and after 30 minutes if needed you can remove excess with a napkin. As you saw, the process is really easy to do it for yourself, or even if needed, like a little gift for your close friends. But in any case, if you're hurrying time, you can visit our T-Perfume fan page, Facebook shop page, and order there. Professionally made, not all natural night or day cream. I will add the link in description area. Also, we feel free to let us know your opinions or your experiments with this wonderful cream in comment area down here. Thank you. Bye.